Dr. Magnifico from and This is Lucy. She's a middle-aged domestic short-haired indoor cat. She came to me for a couple of reasons. One, her owners had noticed that she had these mats of fur. It is important that it's along her spine. That tells me a couple things. One, she's either too big to get to them, so I see this most commonly in overweight cats. They just can't get all the way around to their back. If this starts to happen to your cat, when it gets to this point, so they're not adherent to her skin, if you can get to them before they do, then you can try a flea comb or a metal comb. I really like these metal combs. It has a wide end and then a narrow end. The wide end is a good place to start. So Lucy definitely needs some help in the grooming area. She's not doing it well enough to get this hair off on her own. So start with a comb. You know, we're just trying to gently tease it out. If it is adherent to the skin, then you really have to go to the clippers. I'm going to try to turn this on without her freaking out. But you want to use clippers, never use scissors. I can't tell you how many times I see a cat who's injured because people are using scissors. So these are clippers. Ask your groomer to help you if you need. I'm going to scruff her, and then we're going to turn them on. You go with the fur, so you just shave with the fur. You don't have to go all the way down to the skin if it's not adherent to the skin, but that's the best way to get it off. So that's it. It isn't pretty, and it's not going to look pretty, but it does get the job done. Clippers are much safer than scissors, and actually they're not going to pull her skin like the comb does, and sometimes it's just the easiest route to go. So we're going to send her home with a comb. This is a flea comb. This is what I want them to start working towards. It's great at getting this dandruff off and getting the dead hair that's lying on her, and she's going to have to go home with a weekly grooming regimen. The other thing that's interesting about her is every time you pet her head, so I'm petting her head, she's shaking. So that tells me that every time I pet her head, something in her ears is bothering her. She's got really dirty ears, so they're waxy. Actually, the right one's probably a little dirtier and waxier. So she needs a general kind of makeover. So we're gonna clean her ears, we're gonna get rid of all of her excess hair, we're gonna send them home with a flea comb and a nice big wide metal brush comb, and have them start brushing and combing her daily so that she doesn't get to the point where she's so matted that we have to shave her bald. If you have any questions, you can find me at or Pavli.com, and just, you know, take good care of your kitties. Thanks. Bye.